Good morning, it's Lianne Phillipson, registered nutritionist and author of Sprout Right Family Food. I've been a little bit quiet lately because, oh boy, there is a lot going on behind the scenes right now. So I just wanted to jump on really quick and say, if you have not pre-ordered this, then you'll be able to walk into a store on the 23rd of this month and just pick it up. So you can go to Indigo and have a look at it and leaf through it. And I don't know if I can do this, but you can have a look at some of the incredible recipes that are in here and the beautiful photography that we put all the way through the book. And look at all of those words. Oh my goodness. So much information for you. And I'm so excited to be able to actually put it all out there. And this is one of my favorite photos because I feel like this is just inviting you into the kitchen. So another thing that you'll be able to see later this week is the new sproutright.com. If anybody's ever put together a website, they know that it takes a village, and I have a fabulous village of my number one assistant, Kristen. And gosh, she's been doing such a tremendous job. So you'll be able to see that. We've got other things like a new logo going on. I am putting together, it's already done. It's just sticking the label onto the bottles, which is huge, of my new supplement line. So much still coming down the pipeline. But if you happen to be around, you're in Canada, or I think in the US too, then next Monday I'm going to be joining the very lovely ladies on the social to show some of the tremendous recipes that are found in my new book. So please do join me along this journey of launching my book. Come along for the ride, grab the book, buy it from sproutright.com, order it from amazon.ca or Amazon or indigo.ca as well, and let's just get our families healthy and get some new inspiration for we're kind of in the middle of the summer in Toronto, which means camps and kids and hunger and all of those kind of things, and you kind of very often think, how on earth am I going to keep up feeding these children all the time? So this is how you're going to do it with my new book. There's so much has gone into this, and I just wish I could just sort of show you the weight of it. There are so many pages and beautiful photos in here. So I am so excited that the day is nearly here when you can walk into your local bookstore and actually pick it up. So stay tuned for more. Look out if you don't have our news. Thank you so much, Dominica, and I'd love to share this with the MomNet community as well, who I so love coming to speak with. So let's definitely chat about getting this into their hands, or let's just have a chat about how on earth do parents pull off feeding everybody, because it's a challenge. So much coming up. Stay tuned. I'll keep everything going on in the newsletter. So if you have not subscribed to the newsletter, then you can certainly do that on sproutright.com. I can share the link below if you're not sure where that is, but do go and check it out. Yes, I can't wait, Dominica, to share it with all the MomNet community. We definitely have to speak about how we can do that to as many of the fabulous chapters and dynamic women that are a part of MomNet. So that's tremendous. All right, I've got to go. I've got a bunch of meetings, podcast recordings, interviews, all sorts of things happening today, but I did just want to jump on and say hi and say the countdown is on. Oh my goodness. So leave a comment and let me know where you're going to go and pick up the book, or let me know if you've pre-ordered it. On sproutright.com, we do have links for pre-ordering if you're not really sure, and any comments that you want to leave once you've purchased, then of course that's going to help all the other parents know that yes, this is the real deal. You're gonna get some really sound support from this book, because I've got so many tremendous parents that have worked through with their families with Sprout Right Nutrition from tummy to toddlers. So this is gonna take you even further. So anyway, thank you and have a beautiful day, and reach out. Let us know what's going on for you guys too, and then we always reply. Thanks so much. Take care and have a fabulous day.